How to make Reddit TikTok videos using AI. Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create engaging TikTok videos using Reddit content and AI tools. Perfect for going viral. First of all, start by selecting popular or interesting posts from subreddits like r Ask Reddit. Copy the text you want to use for your TikTok video. Use AI text-to-speech tools like Murf.ai or Well Said Labs to convert the Reddit text into a voiceover for your video. Choose a background image or video clip and then add text overlays for the Reddit content. You can use video editing tools like CapCut or Adobe Premiere. Import the AI-generated voiceover into your editing software. Adjust the timing of the visuals and text to match the audio. Include royalty-free background music or TikTok's music library to enhance the video's appeal. Once everything is in place, export the video in TikTok format and upload it to your account. And that's how you create Reddit TikTok videos using AI. Check the description for links to AI tools and resources. Thanks for watching and happy creating.